This is a mini lecture about TPACK. TPACK is a combination of technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. Now let me use some examples to demonstrate how to combine TPACK together to make instruction more effective and make learning more interesting. Example number 1. Use CylinderNet to demonstrate and explain cylinder surface area formula. See how content knowledge is presented with technology integration.
Okay, so to work out the surface area of a cylinder, I need to open it out so I can see the net. So I'm going to have a circle, which is going to be this where that side's come from. I'm going to have a rectangle, which would have been this side flattened out. And then I'm going to have a second circle, which is the same as the top one, if this is a cylinder, from the bottom. Okay, it's going to be down here. Okay, and then we have three shapes. We've got a circle here, and a circle here, and a rectangle here. So we have a formula to work out the area of a circle. Okay, that's simply pi r squared. So the area of this circle is pi r squared, and that's the same as this one, pi r squared. And the only difficulty comes when we're trying to work out the area of this rectangle here. Okay, now this length here, this height here is the same as this here. So whatever that is, that's the same. So I'm just going to call that h for height. And then this length across here is going to be, this length here is the same as the distance around the outside of the circle. And we've got a formula for that as well. It's pi times diameter, pi d. So the surface area is going to be the area of the circle, pi r squared, plus this area of the circle, pi r squared. That's two lots of pi r squared. Plus the area of this rectangle. Now that rectangle is going to be this length here, times by this length here. So it's going to be h times pi d. Now I want to work out the surface area of this cylinder. Now we could just try to remember that formula from the last page, but unfortunately it would cram our brains full of too many formula. It would be silly. So let's just do it bit by bit. So two circles, the circle top and bottom, pi r squared. Now again, we've got the diameter here, not the radius. The radius equals 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So pi r squared is going to be pi times 6 squared, which is pi times 36, which is about 113. And then there's two of those, because that's here and here from the top and the bottom. So I want two of those. So at the bottom we've got 113.097. And then I need the rectangle bit. So the height's the same, so that's 40. Remember this length here is pi d, so that's 12 times pi. And type that into my calculator, 40 times 12 times pi. We get 1507.96, and that's going to get added on there. So we add those all together, 1734.16 centimeters squared. Now it's probably a good idea to round that to three significant figures. It's three important numbers, so that would be 1730 centimeters squared.
Example number 2. Technology can help learners experience and understand the natural phenomena that is not easily observable under regular conditions. Watch the video of how beans germinate and grow in 25 days. Example number 3, visual learning. Using videos to compare and contrast will give people deep impressions of the images, scenes, concepts, relationships, etc. Watch why baby animals are so cute.
Hi, someone named Tanya has a question about animals looking cute. Let's give her a call now.
Hi, Doug.
Hi, Tanya.
I have a question for you. Why do baby animals look so cute?
Oh, that's a great question. People seem to love baby animals. And I don't mean just puppies. All kinds of baby animals, like people find kittens adorable, and baby bunnies. Even animals like baby ducks. Now, it's not that people don't like the adult versions of these animals, but just that people seem to find baby animals especially cute or adorable. There seems to be a special kind of reaction that we have to seeing a baby animal. Baby animals make us feel warm and fuzzy, like we just want to cuddle and hug them. Have you ever thought about why? Why do so many people find baby animals adorable? There was actually a scientist named Konrad Lorenz who wanted to figure out the answer to this question. In order to do that, he decided to look at all the different kinds of baby animals that people find adorable, to see if he could spot a pattern, some things that they all have in common. Now take a close look. Do you see any features these baby animals have in common? Now would be a good time to pause the video and discuss. He found a pattern. Baby animals often have large eyes compared to their heads. They also have a large head compared to their body. Their bodies are often round and little, and they have short, stubby legs. Now you might have noticed those short legs before. Like when baby animals try to walk, they're a little bit clumsy. They teeter from side to side. That's something that people find adorable too. These baby features are what make baby animals look different from grown-up adult animals. For example, here's a dog, a Labrador Retriever, as a puppy and as an adult. Now, if you compare them side by side, you can see that the adult has a larger body with a smaller head in comparison to its body. It also has longer legs. And you might notice that its nose sticks out more. Overall, a puppy looks much more round. Now look at all these baby animals. Notice how you can see this pattern with almost any baby animal.
Example number 4. Now let's have some hands-on experience. Use the virtual manipulative to verify the theory. Baby animals look so cute. Why? Okay, now let's use this virtual manipulative to test or verify the theory that why baby animals look so cute. So the theory said, if you want a baby animal look so cute, the head should be bigger, and the body should be relatively and proportionately should be smaller. Let's manipulate the head. Oh, this is the eye. Okay, the body. Make the body smaller. So you can see if the body is relatively smaller, the baby animals looks more cute. And then now let's go manipulate the eye. If the eye is bigger compared with the head, relatively proportionately bigger. Small eyes, oh, that's not look so good. If you have a bigger eye, looks great. And also, the limbs, that means their legs should be shorter if you want the animals to look cuter. Shorter? Oh, a little bit. So now it's a very nice looking, so cute animal. Even the legs are so long. Oh, look. It seems not so cute. It's very short. And the body is smaller compared with the head. Eyes bigger comparatively in comparison with the head and then proportionately. Okay, stop here.